Preventing common illnesses, your comprehensive guide to staying healthy. Preventing common illnesses such as colds and flu is an essential aspect of maintaining overall health and quality of life. The best approach to combating these illnesses is through a proactive focus on prevention. This article will provide a comprehensive guide to help you understand common illnesses, their prevention, and practical strategies to keep yourself and your loved ones healthy. Understanding common illnesses. Common illnesses, like colds and flu, are typically caused by viruses. These viruses are highly contagious and can spread from person to person through various routes, including respiratory droplets. Coughing or sneezing without covering the mouth can release droplets into the air, which can be inhaled by others nearby. Direct contact. Touching surfaces or objects contaminated with the virus and then touching the face, particularly the mouth, nose, or eyes. Close contact with infected individuals. Being in close proximity to an infected person, especially if they are coughing or sneezing. Ingesting contaminated items. Consuming food or drink that has been contaminated with the virus. Preventive measures for common illnesses. Frequent hand washing. Proper hand hygiene is a fundamental preventive measure against common illnesses. Teach and practice thorough hand washing, especially during these critical times. After being in public spaces. Upon returning home from public places, wash your hands immediately to remove any potential virus particles you may have met. Before eating or preparing food. Wash your hands thoroughly before handling any food, as this can prevent the ingestion of harmful bacteria or viruses. After sneezing or coughing, always wash your hands after sneezing or coughing to prevent the spread of germs. After touching your face. Avoid touching your face, but if you do, ensure you wash your hands afterward to prevent the spread of any potential viruses from surfaces to your face. Maintain respiratory hygiene. Practicing. Good respiratory hygiene is crucial to prevent the spread of illnesses like colds and flu. Follow these guidelines. Cover your mouth and nose. When coughing or sneezing, use a tissue or your elbow, not your hands, to cover your mouth and nose. Dispose of used tissues. Immediately throw used tissues in a lined trash can and wash your hands. Use masks. In crowded or public places, wear a mask to reduce the spread of respiratory droplets. Maintain a healthy diet. A healthy, balanced diet supports a strong immune system and helps prevent illness. Incorporate the following elements into your diet. Fruits and vegetables. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, as they are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat, and oats, which provide energy and essential nutrients. Lean proteins. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes for muscle health and immune support. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocados, and oily fish for brain health and overall wellness. Adequate hydration. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and help flush out toxins from your body. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity boosts your immune system and improves overall health. Consider these recommendations. Aerobic exercise. Incorporate activities like walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing to improve cardiovascular health and strengthen your immune system. Strength training. Include strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises to build muscle and enhance overall fitness. Flexibility and balance exercises. Practice stretching and balance exercises to improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injuries. Daily movement. Make an effort to move throughout the day, whether walking during breaks, using stairs instead of elevators, or engaging in brief exercises at home. Adequate quality sleep is essential for a strong immune system and overall well-being. Follow these tips to improve your sleep. Consistent sleep schedule. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establish a calming bedtime routine to signal to your body that it is time to wind down. This can include activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to calming music. Comfortable sleep environment. Ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid electronic devices with screens at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can disrupt your sleep cycle. Stress management. Chronic stress weakens the immune system and makes individuals more susceptible to illnesses. Practice stress-reducing techniques. Deep breathing. Incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Meditation and mindfulness. Engage in regular meditation and mindfulness practices to center your mind and reduce anxiety. Yoga and Tai Chi. Explore yoga or Tai Chi, which combines movement, breath, and meditation for stress relief and improved flexibility. Hobbies and leisure activities. Dedicate time to activities you enjoy, whether it is reading, painting, gardening, or any other hobby that helps you relax and unwind. Regular health checkups and immunizations. Staying up to date with vaccinations and regular health checkups is vital for maintaining good health. Follow these guidelines. Vaccinations. Ensure you and your family are up to date with recommended vaccinations, including flu shots and other important immunizations for your age group. Routine checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider for preventive screenings and assessments. Health monitoring. Keep track of your health parameters, such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar. Address any concerns promptly with your healthcare provider. Proper hydration. Adequate hydration is crucial for overall health and well-being. Follow these tips to stay properly hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, or about 2 liters. Monitor urine. Color. Check the color of your urine. It should be pale yellow, indicating good hydration. Limit sugary drinks. Reduce consumption of sugary beverages like sodas and energy drinks. Hydrating foods. Include hydrating foods like fruits, vegetables, and soups in your diet. Proper personal hygiene. Practicing good personal hygiene is crucial in preventing the spread of infections. Follow these guidelines. Regular bathing. Bathe daily to maintain cleanliness and prevent body odor. Oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly to maintain good oral health. Nail care. Keep your nails trimmed and clean to prevent the accumulation of dirt and bacteria. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can weaken the immune system and make you more susceptible to illnesses. Clean surroundings. Regularly clean your living space and frequently touched surfaces to minimize the risk of infections. Consider these tips. Quit smoking. Seek help to quit smoking if you are a smoker. Quitting is one of the best things you can do for your health. Limit alcohol intake. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation. Women should be limited to 1 drink per day, and men should be limited to 2 drinks per day. Conclusion. Preventing common illnesses is within your control with consistent, healthy habits and a proactive approach. By incorporating these preventive measures into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling ill and improve your overall well-being. Remember, prevention is not only about safeguarding yourself, but it's also about promoting a healthier community. Start implementing these strategies today to enjoy a healthier, happier life.